This is my PayPal account I've created for some time now. I've been using this account to receive and make payment without adding any payment method to it. This video I'm going to show you a step by step on how to withdraw your PayPal fund into your mobile account or into your mobile phone without adding any payment method. So to get started, the website that we are going to use is called CHINAITECH. CHINAITECH is a platform that allows us to transfer and fund our PayPal account without adding a payment method. So it's a middleman that helps us to connect from PayPal into our bank account or into our mobile wallet. So if you have a PayPal account and you are struggling to fund from your PayPal account into your bank or into your mobile phone, this platform is a way for you that you can withdraw. So for this one, let's go and read something about this platform and see whether it is a legit or secure way that you can use it. So if you go to trustpilot.com, you will see that it has a review here that's 4.4 review, and it is a verified company. Let's go and read about comment that people have talked about CHINAITECH. CHINAITECH, I honestly thought I would be scammed, but likely I wasn't, and this person verified or made this comment on 14th of July 2024. So it means the platform is good. The second one, fast always and secure platform that allow us to withdraw our PayPal fund with. The next one, shout out to CHINAITECH for their incredible support. So this means the platform is legit and it is secure for you, that you can use it to withdraw your PayPal fund from your PayPal account into your mobile wallet, or from your mobile wallet to your PayPal account. It can also help us or serve you a way that you can connect with people by paying from your bank wallet to your client through PayPal. So let's get started on how you can set up your account. So first off, go to your browser and type on CHINAITECH. I have the link in the description. You can use that link to first option or the first screen you see, buy PayPal fund and make withdrawal instantly. So that's what their motto for it, or their aim of helping us. And if you get to this side, we have for sign up options here. So if you are new to this side, they will ask you to sign up. Because I already have an account here, that's why they are telling me to log into my account. Okay, so you see dashboard here. If I go to log out here, then I will log out and go to sign up. So to sign up, you go to register, and on register you first enter your username, the username that you want it to appear. You choose your email, you enter your country, your phone number, your password and stuff. Then you come and solve these cookies here. Okay, then you hit on agree and type on continue to continue with it. Because I have an account with this site, I need to go straight forward and log into my account and show you the next steps. So this is my account, and they are telling me to verify my KVC verification. So dear user, verify your account to help us prevent fraud. So you need to make sure you verify this account. Verifying the account, there are documents or files that you need to provide to let them know that your account is a legit one. So the first one is the front of your ID card. So the ID card, you can choose either your Ghana card. Ghana, here we use our Ghana card, and either a voter ID and the stuff, or driving license or passport card. You can use that one. Then you choose your type of ID. Then you click on you provide a selfie or a picture of yourself and stuff. Then you hit on submit. So submit it. They will review your account and verify your account for you. And before you do, make sure the name on your card is the name that you use to create your CHINAITECH account. So this is the screen if you log into the platform. But one thing I want to tell you is that now they have updated their system, or the platform's dashboard that you see, it has changed. So if you look at my dashboard here, you will see that a lot of stars has changed compared to the old dashboard. So this is the dashboard here, and if you look at this side, they have some menus here that you can check it out. Okay, you can contact them. And one best thing about CHINAITECH is that their communication teams are doing a very good job. Anytime you contact them, get in touch to them, you and talk about your issues and help you solve it, right? So if you look at this side, we have the exchange order. So if you read here, we have exchange here, we have read and start. So here too, you can start doing your exchange. You can check your exchange, your payment history, your referral and stuff, your withdrawal tool is here, right? You can use that one. And you can check for the account verification. Because they have updated their platform, those people who were having an account on this platform, now you can, if you want to get back your account, you need to create a new account by using the old details, the details that you were using, and they will verify you and for you to get your account back. So if you look here, this is the reserves amount that they have on the platform. They have Binance Pay, they have Bitcoin, they have Litecoin, mobile money, Naira Bank, Paye, PayPal, Telecel, and stuff. So all these are the reserves amount that they have that you can go in buy the one that you need. So if you look at here, it means they have a lot of reserves there that anyone who want to buy or withdraw them can cash out easily and fast. So if you look at here, this is the trending or the trading direction of the week. So on this week, as I'm doing this video, this the trending, what is trending on their platform for this week, the amount of money people have exchanged from them. Look at here, we have PayPal to mobile money, that's $425, and we have PayPal to USDT, that's 50. We have PayPal to Telecel and stars, Nigeria Naira, and PayPal, a lot of stars on this week. So all these are showing that this platform is working. So how can you exchange or do exchange on here? So let's say I want to exchange and I didn't see this screen here. I want to use this one. I come to the start exchange here, then wait for it to complete loading, right? So it says start exchange. The first thing that I will see here is about PayPal USD. Okay, so that's me send means I'm sending it from this platform, and receive is the platform or and the platform that I'm going to receive the money, right? So let's say I have PayPal, I'm sending the money from PayPal to this MTN mobile money in Ghana here, right? And if I choose the Litecoin, meaning I'm sending it from Litecoin to this my mobile money here, right? So let's say I want to exchange from PayPal USD to mobile money here, right? Ghana mobile money. So I come here and I click on exchange. This thing you can still do it on your mobile phone. Exchange PayPal to MTN mobile money, right? So here I'm going to check here, come here, the amount of money that is I'm going to transfer from my PayPal to my mobile money here, right? So let's say I want to exchange this amount of dollars from my PayPal, let's say $100. They will calculate the equivalent in cedis for me here, right? So if you look at here, it says a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $5,000, and then they see this minimum of 42,000 plus, right? I enter it, they calculate it into my cedis equivalent for me here. Then I come here and then I hit on send. It will take me to the new interface, and then the exchange rate $1 here is what 8 cedis. So you check the exchange rate in your country. So this is the next screen here. So we go to the step 1. We have done with step 1. Now we're in step 2, and then the one, check your payment details carefully, because we are not responsible if the payment details provided incorrect, right? So here, this is my name here, my email address. So I need to enter my Momo number, the Momo number that I want, the number or the account that is going to receive the payment. So let's say I enter my Momo number. So this is my Momo number. Then I hit on the next. So it will take you to the screen here again. They say our PayPal account. So this is their PayPal account. Take their PayPal details, right? So I will take their PayPal details, go to the PayPal and transfer the money to this PayPal account, right? So this is how, this is the instructions here, right? This PayPal amount, this PayPal account email can only receive payment as friends and family. Sending goods and services payment will put them on hold for 21 days before you can pay you. If your PayPal is good and service account, just WhatsApp us. Okay, so if it is goods and services, just WhatsApp them. So for you to do that, you need to make sure you send PayPal amount to this number, right? To this email address that I've been given here. You go to your PayPal account, then you transfer the PayPal amount to this one. Then you include the transaction ID. When you were doing the payment, they will give you a transaction ID. You come here and include it here, and you take a screenshot of your the payment process, everything about the payment proof, and come to this side and upload it here, and then you hit on confirm. They'll confirm everything and they send it to you. So this is how you can transfer from your PayPal into your mobile money number. Right now I'm sending from my mobile money to my PayPal account. So here the send section I will choose Momo, and then this section I will choose PayPal. So here I choose Momo, here I choose PayPal, then I hit on exchange. So this is the steps here. Okay, so step one, I need to the mobile money exchange. $1 here is 14 cedi 50 pesos. That's the exchange rate they gave me from sending from mobile money into a PayPal account. Right, they just give me this thing here. Okay, and then the exchange rate. Then you hit on next. You type on the amount of money you want to, you type the amount of money you want to send from your mobile money. So let's say I want to send 200 cedis. I'll just enter 200 cedis, and the 200 cedis give me $13 793 cents. All right, so then I hit what next, meaning I'm sending from my mobile money into a PayPal account, like my own PayPal account that I want to send this to, or someone PayPal account that I want to send this to. Right, paying attention to all these steps will help you send your money easily. Right, so the next thing is your PayPal account email. So for the PayPal account, let's say I'm sending it to someone PayPal account. What I will do here is type the person PayPal, the email that they used creating their PayPal, or their PayPal ID. When we talk about the PayPal ID, that's what the email address, right, that they used creating the PayPal account. So just type the email address here. Just type the email address. So let me type any random email address here, okay, and check if it will work. So I just enter this email address, and then I hit on next. So this is the next screen here. When we were sending from PayPal to our mobile money, they gave us a email address or a PayPal account to send the money to that account before they will transfer it back to our Momo. The same thing here. So now we are going to send 200 cedis to this number, right? So we are going to send 200 cedis. So our Momo account details, this is the Momo account details. So you send the money to this line, and then in Momo transaction they give us ID. You come in and enter that ID number here, then you send a proof, a screenshot that shows that you have made that payment to this site. Then you hit on confirm to confirm your transaction. That's the last steps. Once you have done with that, they will do everything for you and credit your account immediately. They receive the money. But if you do a wrong transaction or typing your ID, then the most important thing is make sure the ID number you come and type it here is a very good ID, and the screenshot that you send here, make sure you they will see the ID in the screenshot. So once you are done, then they will credit your PayPal account with that amount of money that you need. So this is one of the best platform I recommend for everyone who is using a PayPal account in an unsupported country, that you can use it to make exchange from PayPal to your account, to your Momo, or any bank transaction that you want to do concerning an PayPal. And if you look here, they have a lot of countries that are using it, right? In Africa and stuff, you can use it. Okay, so this is the easier way to withdraw your PayPal fund from PayPal. So nowadays there's no need for you to say you want to link your card, or you are looking for a card to add to a PayPal before you can make transactions and stuff. This is the easier way that you can do it, and the best way is that the another thing is you can transfer from your PayPal to the account. If you have watched this video up to this far and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel for us. Like our videos. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. We will come in and answer all your questions. See you in the next video.